Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I would like to show you how you can edit products in bulk in your Shopify store. So first of all, you have to be logged into your Shopify admin panel and then click on products. Once it loads up, click on all products, and from here you can essentially select individual products you want to edit. Like let's say you want to edit first three, you can just select them, 1, 2, and 3. Or you can select all products on the page. Just in that case, have to click on the empty checkbox here and we'll select all the products which are available. If you have more than 50 products in your store, let's say you have like 100 or 1000, you'll have an extra option here to select 50 plus products. In my case, I don't have this. I only have 20 products. Thus, you don't see this option. So let's just edit 20 products. Select them all and click Edit Products. Now, from here, you can essentially change all fields and variables as you would do on individual products, but you just do it in bulk. For example purpose, I wanna, let's edit inventory quantity, and let's also edit truck quantity option. Oh, as you can see, some products, actually most of them, the inventory is not being tracked. Only for one product is being tracked. I actually want to change it to have every product inventory being tracked. So let's select the first field, scroll all the way down, press Shift on keyboard, and select the last one. Scroll all the way up, click on this vertical arrows, and click and change it to Shopify tracks this product inventory. As you can see, it changes the variable for all products. Now let's save it. Good, so we saved it. Next, we can also, see the quantities are being populated. What I can do right now, I can also change quantities in bulk for all the products or for some of them. Let's say I want to change the products inventory quantity for first 3 or 4. So let's select the first field, press Alt on your keyboard. Oops. And select a few of them. Here we go. Now let's change the quantity to 10. Here we go. As you can see, I basically changed quantity to 10 for the selected products. Same thing you can do with price. You can bulk change the price for many of them. Let's select the first one and then press Shift and select this one, and let's change the price quantity on these products to $100. Enter. Done. This is how you change products in bulk. And I really hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And if you like my channel, please ensure to subscribe. Thank you so much.